Well, another rock bass. Tiny little guy. Tiny, get back in there, fella. Todd's first trip. Water looks beautiful. Beautiful. I just hope we're able to pull something out of here. Water's looking great. Start off trying to throw a spinner. See if I can't get them on that. We'll do some adjusting. Dude, there's bait fish everywhere. Let's get a line in the water. Well, dude, I'm telling you, I've been having no luck today. But seeing bass, just not been catching them, man. I can't get them to bite on anything. But dude, there's a big snapping turtle right over here. Big snapping turtle. Let's get a look at him. I want him to come after me. Here, let me see if I can get you a close look. He's big. I don't want to make him mad. I don't want to lose a toe. That would be very bad. There he is. Look at him, he's lining up, son. He's gonna take a bite out of me. Ooh, Nelly. I don't want to tangle with you, buddy. Backing off. He's in the water, I'm in his turf now. I'm backing off, buddy. Alright guys, moved up to a different hole. We got our first smallie on. Oh dude, there's a big carp down there, big carp down there. Dude, having fun down at Todd's today so far. Ultralight challenges, 2-pound test line, these small ultralights. Oh dude, look at this, oh look at this smallie. Look at this smallie. See, he's not the biggest. Dude, there's bigger ones in here, but this is not a bad one. Oh yeah. Got a baby and dude on these light lines, boys, oh yeah. Got to love it. He's got it wrapped around him too. Actually, what it was, he hit it. He didn't commit to it, and he backed off. And I got him on the back off right on the side here. So that's why he's feeling a lot bigger than he is. I gotta watch this with this light line. Not a bad smallmouth. Nah, don't do that, buddy. Oh yeah. They actually got him right in the corner of the mouth, but it did wrap. It did wrap. You see how my line's wrapped here? I'm really, really shocked that that fish did not break that line off. But we're talking fins and all my blades. Okay, I see what happened. I see what happened here. Let's release this bad boy. Hey, down here at Todd's, man, having a blast already with these ultralights. Oh yeah, got to love that thing here. Be free, buddy. Get back and do. There you go. Hey, you know what? We'll go get some fish. If that's any indicator of what's going to happen. Oh, boys. Hey, let's get right back in there.